Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. I'm not at the usual location. I got an interesting padlock here. I don't know if you can see the US set marking on there. This is a brass body, marine grade padlock with the full brass ball bearing mechanism. Key retaining from PACLOCK. Excellent lock. I'm looking for one of these for a while, so I just got this in today before I left for work. So let's see, I'm gonna go in here, go right to the back, and see what we can do with this. Light tension. Pin number 5. Number 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go right back again. Start again at pin 5. Click, click, pin 3, click, 2, nothing at a 1, I'm just going to reset that. Start from the back. Moderate tension, pin 5, got some movement on the core on 3, some click out of 2, got some movement. Now I'm stuck in a little bit of a false set, and it's a dead core. So doing bottom of the keyway is a little more difficult to manually counter rotate. So I'm gonna just, with my pick, slowly rotate the core a little bit. See if I can set this last pin, which is pin number 3 that's binding on me. And we got it open. So full of spools, beautiful lock, interesting bitting on this PACLOCK. Let me just show you here. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a 5-pinner. And I was able to get my hands on one of these after a while. There's the PACLOCK logo again. There's the underneath. This thing is solid. So that's the PACLOCK, guys, 5-pinner. SPP'd for you guys. Hope you liked the video. When you love this game as much as I do, sometimes you gotta do it from remote location. That's the PACLOCK, guys. Enjoy. Hit the like button and subscribe.